What's up, guys? Scott Barnes here with another blackjack session with NG Slot. Haven't checked him out in a bit. Looks like he is at, of course, Reno, Nevada at the Peppermill, and like always, diving in at 20,000. Yeah, let's hop into it. Let's have some fun, and let's go. I am dying for just some blackjack. One thing I do like about NG is like it's just
last
straight blackjack. There's not too much
and I
fluff.
finished with 20, so this is
Unless he's counting
what
his
we have
chips.
20.
I might fast
And
forward.
we are gonna just get blacks for these 3,000 and start.
You need some black ones?
Yes, please. Okay, guys. Yesterday we had a crazy roller coaster. That shoe was really bad. So starting with 200, 400 each. I was getting just smashed with 20, 21, 20, 21. Even on blackjack, she was having blackjack when I had a blackjack. So let's see how we'll do today.
Firsthand, you know how I feel about him. I'm always going to say that.
Down, I'm sorry.
Up. Alright. 400 winning hand.
Did you see what that dealer did? Messing up those chips, splashing them all over the place. How dare she?
Hopefully this is not like the other shoe. This one, non-stop 21, 20.
Oh!
Let's do 400.
She would have busted. See, that's the thing, man. I always hit on 12. That's going to be like my degenerate.
Alright guys, let's do
Always hit on
$1,000 hand. Okay. We are gonna double down for sure. Alright, so we have $1,000 bet there, guys. And double this one.
Up, down.
Up. 70. Wow. What is going on? Let's go. That's not cool.
Oof. Here we go. Yeah, you got it.
Can I get a black, please?
Yeah, you got it.
Change 5?
Alright, so we are gonna double down this $1,200, guys.
Up, down?
Always up. Alright. That's a nice one, guys.
Yeah, that was nice.
So,
I love how he
400
increased
there
his
and
bet,
1200.
too.
You can check out the full session like my just last picture. Yes. Perfect. We're gonna keep those $1,200 bets.
Come on, big one. Ooh. Nice. Yeah, you got it.
So we are gonna just
I don't think I would hit.
just a second. So we have a 20 here, and we are gonna double this 12. Perfect. Another 36 out. Back to
That
back,
was
guys.
perfect. He needed that. Again.
And if you want to check out the full session, guys, watch my Boom! That's a nice one, guys. Guys, make sure to hit that like button for supporting. If you are new here,
Yes.
hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notification from NG.
Go to NG's
Blackjack
channel. Have some fun.
Very nice.
Go like and subscribe.
Oh,
You split those eights.
I hate this situation, you know. I don't like to hit on 16.
Neither do
but
I.
don't
Split them
like
up. Split
to
them.
leave it like that also. I'm gonna just split.
Blue.
Yeah. So So I'm gonna just play those 8s against the 9 guys. I don't care what says book, I'm gonna play with my feeling. Stay here. I'm gonna do it again.
Dude, that's hilarious.
4-3. That's pretty bad hand, so hopefully she's gonna bust. $16. Boom.
Nice.
Very nice, guys.
Profit.
That was the right decision to split those 8s.
Yep.
Very
Yep.
nice.
Yeah.
What does Mr. Handpay say? Scared money doesn't win money. God, he's in my brain now. Thanks, Mr.
Nobody
Handpay.
would have done it with a
Thanks.
knife.
Yeah, sometimes that's what I'm saying. Sometimes I don't
I'm sorry,
follow to
guys.
the book, so I don't care what it says. I just play with my gut feeling. Yeah,
Good. Your
yeah.
gut would tell you yes. Good.
She's probably like, you're stupid.
Some people when watch my videos, they said you don't know how to play the blackjack. You split this one against this one, but like I said, sometimes I just follow to my gut feeling.
That's all you can do.
19. Very nice, guys.
That's great.
Yeah, like some of my episodes of blackjack, people really like talking a lot of negative stuff, guys. But I like try to explain so many times that I don't play with the rules. This is my game and this is my rules, so I just play as I want. Of course, I follow the basic stuff, but I'm not playing like a robot, you know. Like book says this, so I'm gonna just do that. No, I don't care about that. I have my rules. I just play based on the show.
That's fair. God, y'all's comments, man.
So guys,
Flipping brutal.
we won how many hands? Like 4 or 5 hands row. I'm gonna just drop my bet. Let's do $200-$300.
Another blackjack, man. He's on a little run right now.
I just won like 4 hands row, so that's why I just dropped my bet.
Yep. See, that's smart. Big one. Nah.
All right.
All right, now this
think
is a
we-
great time for you guys to not only go over to NG's channel, like, subscribe, but I'm on a goal right now. It's a small goal. I want to get to 35,000 subscribers. I don't really ask that much that often, but if you can, go over there. But you guys have been great. You guys have been absolutely great. Things are up, so appreciate you.
Perfect. So we'll do 2 hands, $600 each.
See, that was smart. I think Steve will do it sometimes, messes that up. Like, dude, he was on a 5-hand win streak,
BJ.
and then he finally, he lowered his bet after the 4th hand, which is smart. We got some work to do.
Perfect.
Nice.
Very nice.
Dude's on a little heater right now.
Oh no, it's a push.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yo.
I'm not one of those who takes advantage.
Whoa. That was cool.
I'll get a 7, 8, 9.
16.
It's okay, 3, 4, 5. Perfect.
NG has control of this table. Oh my gosh, this is great. The karma
guys, this is
has paid
Some
NG
kind of
back.
hand that I really like, and based on the dealer hand, so we are gonna do double down for both of them right there. So let's do
Smart
double down.
move. Let's see what happens. Why do I feel that dealer is just going to come out with some,
I just need that
some
dealer bust.
bullshit,
That would be so awesome.
as Grant Cardone would say? 6,
Come on, picture,
14,
picture. All right.
bust. Nice.
Boom. That's a good one, guys. I didn't have. I had like
Yeah, that was right.
colorful
15 in
BS
the
cards
bust.
there.
Jeez
Guys, you can check
Louise.
out the full session at my NG Slot YouTube channel. You'll see with how much I start and how much I cash out. Everyday crazy high limit blackjack action. Woo! All right. Can I get
Color
some
'em up.
25s? All right. So 14,000. So that's a 1800. So that was a 7,600 swings. So we are gonna do 50 and 50. Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Orange out.
Please, all the oranges out for NG. 3-4.
Take all the $100
Seven.
chips.
21.
Stay.
41.
Surprisingly, I got a
It
comment
was
that
great for both of
says
us.
Yes.
giving the dealer a high five or a fist pump is a big
Yeah.
no-no. I don't know if that's true or not.
You got me there.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
You are teaching them right. That's for sure.
Okay, let's go there.
Probably it would be good. Chocolate, $5,000 chips for him would be good, right?
1, 2, 3,
Yeah, I'm
4,
gonna leave
5.
like
So I got
in,
5 grand right there.
20
He's
minutes.
probably at
Yeah.
10, 15 right now. Holy shit.
Guys, you know, right? It doesn't matter dealer has a picture or no. I always love to double my 11. So let's go. Face down. It's gonna be Lady in the Red.
Lady in red.
It's a 1500 right there.
1,500.
Let's get the 20,000 legs for this crazy high limit blackjack action.
Jeez.
Boom! I love it.
Oh my gosh.
That was the
absolutely
grandma
crazy.
of the Lady in the Red. All right, so we just won 2,000 here, 1,500 there, guys. So 3,500. Turn around. Thank you. All right. Let's get some 25s again. And we are going to make a $1,500 hand.
Oh my god.
Keep the nice one.
5, 15.
Oh,
18.
shoot.
Thank you so much.
As soon as I increased my bet, it just went wrong.
That's okay. That's okay.
Guys,
Dude,
so let's update to see how much we have here.
yes, I need to see now.
We were really on a nice run. Okay. So here we go. We have a 10 grand here.
Did you want orange?
I mean,
You want orange? Or
I just need a one. Just give me 500, please.
500.
Yes, to make it equal here. Okay, here we have a 27,000. All right. This is a 7 grand. Okay, perfect. This is a 30. All right, so we have 30,000 here. Okay, 34,000. So let's go, guys. We are gonna go with two hands again, 400 each.
Wow, he's up almost 15.
I'm gonna just take this one.
You're gonna stay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh man.
Okay. What about one hand $1,000? Beautiful.
Nice.
Wow. You need it.
Woo, yeah. Okay, guys.
See if he goes
We're
2.
gonna keep. We're gonna do 1,400.
How's our other buddy, NG?
Hey, sir, how are you? That's a 12, guys. Stay. $2,000. What a
Nice.
beautiful ace. Give me just black.
Nice.
What a beautiful ace, right, guys? That was scary hand.
That was super scary.
I saw 11, I said, oh shoot, man. We just got busted.
Bring it back.
$400. Oh, okay. Again, 400. Stay. $800 hand. Good. We're gonna do $1,000 hand. And we need a 5-6-4 there. Oh shoot! There's one away. I will do $1,400, but let's have it back. Okay. 500 and 1,400. Picture, please. Picture. 15. No freaking way.
Tariff is crazy.
No freaking way, guys. That was a
They always find a way.
$5,600 swing. Wow. Especially when I had a 20.
Ugh.
It's not going good. Let's go back to 200.
Oh,
$17. 12. 20. I'm gonna do two hand.
I mean,
Three
even,
hand.
even the
2,000.
dealer has had some
Just
trouble.
a second. Three hand. Three hand.
Three
Yeah.
hands.
I said three hand. Yeah.
Three hands.
Just a
I'm
second.
sorry.
Yeah. No worries. Okay, guys.
So I want.
No
I
worries.
listen. I want to say one. I want to say one thing really quick. If you guys watched about 5 hands ago, he put a big stack on there, and I mean, even before the chips went down on the table, I mean, just boom, she starts dealing. She has already made one mistake, and now this is her second mistake. You know, because she needs to take time, and these are counting up because now there's 2 mistakes that are happening,
We're gonna do
and we
300,
need to be
2,000,
aware
2,000
of
each.
our patience when dealing. Because remember, man, dealers make a lot of mistakes. More often than not, the dealers take more money. Where I've seen dealers give on a push. This is the first time I've ever seen a dealer
And one more on the last hand.
give money on a push.
Perfect.
7, 8.
Very nice. So we just won one, and yeah, we just won 2,000, guys. All right.
Girl needs to chill. She's got too much jewelry on her hands, man.
Okay, guys. So we start the issue with 20 grand, and we have a $32,000. So we are up $12,000, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This was crazy high limit action, my dears.
Ooh, that was a crazy ending. Let me know what you guys think down there about the whole dealer issue, because like I've seen dealers make mistakes where you know, they take the money on accident. I mean, we've had Mr. Handpay go, you know, back and forth with a dealer, you know, and making mistakes, and usually it's at the cost to us. And I've rarely seen where a dealer gives back a push. But then that second mistake really kind of frustrated me again, because as he was putting out the chips, you know, about 4 or 5 hands ago, she just instantly dealed. And it, you know, not that that was a mistake, but this time when he was putting down, hey, I'm going to go 3 hand, like, take some time. What are you going to do? And I know I get antsy too, but I digress. With that, you guys, let me know what you guys think. Love ya. And I've got a secret video I haven't seen from Aiden Ross from a little while back. Might upload that today. We'll see. Love you guys. See you in the next one.